Hey YouTube, so I'm back again with a new upgrade on my EVH guitar, Wolfgang Stealth Special. So now I changed the bar magnet of the neck pickup. I think this one's an alnico 2, or I'm not sure because it's a factory made, so I don't know if that's true or not. But I changed this alnico magnet whatsoever to alnico 8. So I got two pairs, so I put one in here in my EVH neck bridge. As you can see it on the back neck pickup, it's now alnico 8. I put a mark on it, says it's alnico 8, so I won't be confused next time. So right now I'm just going to put back all the screws, place it in, and see how it sounds. I know it will be much more hotter. Well, it's hot, but it's a hot pickup. But I want more output. So here it is, putting back in all the small screws at the back plate. To me it sounds okay, but you know, more is better. So yeah, that's it. And I'm going to do a demo later on for this one when I'm done. It's just only a simple replacement, so nothing too fancy. It's not a rocket science, but I'm just sharing it with you, so next time you won't be buying those expensive EVH USA pickups. Just replace the bar magnets. Okay, thank you so much, and see you later. Okay, bye-bye.